Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and we're going to be talking about the best rugged laptop for in any budget. So on the low end budget, we'll talk there first. We'll start at the bottom. So on low end, under $500, usually between 2 and 4-ish, you can pick up a Dell Latitude 5404, still have an i5, still be fully well, I consider it a semi-rugged laptop, but they say it's fully rugged. It's very popular and definitely has all the ports that you come to expect. It's got rubber corner bumpers like this. For the price, you can't beat the usability on this laptop. Basically, you just have to determine what your job is. If we bump up the price a little bit and we're looking to be spending, that $1,000 or less, so let's say around that $700 or so mark, you pick up a CF31 MK5, and this is going to be a fully rugged laptop with touchscreen, i5, 5th gen. You're going to be able to drop it, direct spray water on it. You can mount it in your vehicle. You can put LTE in here. Mount in your vehicle, it withstands that vibration that you'll get every day inside that vehicle. Hot, cold, direct water spray, dirt, grime. This is the unit of choice for under $1,000. Now, if we bump that budget up to just under $1,500, you can pick up the Panasonic Toughbook CF33. And this unit is a hybrid or 2-in-1, some people say. Basically, the screen pops off to be a tablet. So you're able to use the laptop mobily like that, or pop it back in and you've got a standard clamshell laptop. It is fully rugged, direct water spray, just like the 31, but you're getting the newer processor, newer technology in this unit because Panasonic is still making this unit. So that would be under the $1,500 mark. You can pick them up anywhere. Some of the older CF33s that first came out, get them around $700, $800. But you're going to want to bump that up to $1,200, $1,300 to get some of the newer units that are coming out. Now, if the budget is not a concern, I suggest you go with the Durabook Z14. That's Durabook's brand new, fully rugged 13th gen processor. You can bump up the memory to 64 gig. I mean, it has all the latest technology, plus that 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty so that you're fully protected. Now, budget-wise, you'll need to be in that $3,000 to $5,000 range. But those are the laptops that I feel like are the best ones for every budget. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.